Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC, or Diagnostic Trouble Code P2121, indicates an issue with the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor A, which is also known as the throttle position, TP sensor D in this context. This code signifies that the output voltage from the APP sensor A is out of the specified range, prompting the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, to determine there is an abnormality and store the code. The APP sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module and is crucial for relaying the position of the accelerator pedal to the PCM, which ensures proper engine response and performance. If the APP sensor fails or provides incorrect voltage readings, it can disrupt the vehicle's operation and efficiency. The PCM plays a pivotal role by processing the sensor's data to manage fuel injection and throttle control effectively. Understanding this code and its implications is essential for diagnosing and resolving issues related to throttle response and overall vehicle performance. The DTC P2121 specifically points to a malfunction in the APP sensor A, which affects how the vehicle interprets the accelerator's position. This sensor provides vital voltage data to the PCM, which uses this information to adjust engine performance accordingly. If the APP sensor A voltage is determined to be less than 0.69 volts or more than 4.99 volts, the PCM concludes that there is an abnormal condition and stores the error code. The sensor is typically located within the accelerator pedal module assembly, which is usually found near the driver's footwell area. The PCM is responsible for monitoring the APP sensor's output, and any discrepancy in its readings directly impacts the vehicle's throttle response. By understanding these components and their locations, technicians can more effectively troubleshoot the reported issue and implement appropriate corrective actions. The potential causes for DTC P2121 can vary, but primarily include a faulty APP sensor itself, a compromised external circuit, or a malfunctioning PCM. A defective APP sensor can lead to incorrect voltage readings, causing the PCM to flag an error. Damaged wires or connectors associated with the APP sensor could also result in voltage irregularities, thus impacting the overall function. The external circuit encompasses the VCC1 power supply line, APS1 signal line, and SG1 ground line, all of which must be intact for proper sensor operation. If these lines exhibit wear, breaks, or shorts, they could significantly affect sensor performance. Lastly, if all other components check out, a malfunctioning PCM itself could be at fault, as it ultimately interprets the data from the APP sensor. Thoroughly examining each possible cause is fundamental for accurate diagnosis and repair. When encountering DTC P2121, several symptoms may manifest, indicating a potential issue with the accelerator pedal system. One of the most noticeable signs is an unresponsive throttle, where pressing the accelerator pedal does not yield the expected engine response. This can lead to reduced engine performance, making acceleration feel sluggish or stuttering. Additionally, drivers may notice the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard, signaling the need for immediate attention. The vehicle may also enter a limp mode, limiting speed to avoid damage. Other symptoms may include erratic engine behavior, such as unexpected speed fluctuations. Being aware of these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis, allowing the technician to address the root cause effectively to restore optimal vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2121 involves preparing the vehicle and inspecting the APP sensor A voltage. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This enables the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to read the APP sensor A voltage. Upon accessing the data, note the voltage reading. A value below 0.69 V or above 4.99 V indicates that the sensor is malfunctioning, and the condition should be reproduced. This first step is crucial because it confirms whether the sensor is operating within the specified voltage range. An evaluation of this reading provides insights into whether the APP sensor is the source of the problem, or if further investigations into the vehicle's electrical circuits are required. The second step involves physical inspection of the APP sensor by jumping specific terminals on the APP sensor connector. Start by disconnecting the APP sensor connector, typically a 6-pin, 6P connection. You will then jump terminals number 4 and number 6 using a jumper wire. After securing the jumper wire in place, turn the vehicle to the on mode. This action enables you to check the HDS APP sensor A voltage again. Ideally, the voltage should read more than 0.69 V if the APP sensor is functioning correctly. If the reading is out of this range, it indicates that the APP sensor is likely faulty and is not relaying the correct information to the PCM. This step provides essential data to identify if the problem lies with the APP sensor itself or another related component. Step 3 focuses on inspecting the external circuits related to the APP sensor for any abnormalities. Before proceeding, ensure to disconnect both the APP sensor connector and the PCM connector. This is essential for accurate readings without risking short circuits. Once the connectors are disconnected, check the VCC1, APS1, and SG1 circuits by measuring their resistance. According to the specifications, there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance in the power supply line, VCC1, the signal line, APS1, and the ground line, SG1. If any of these circuits exhibit higher resistance, it indicates a potential fault, such as an open or shorted wire. Identifying these circuit issues early ensures that they can be addressed before further diagnosing the PCM for potential faults. It's vital to conduct these tests accurately to avoid misdiagnosis. The final step in troubleshooting the issue revolves around inspecting the powertrain control module, abbreviated as PCM. If all other components and circuits inspected earlier indicated normal conditions, the next logical step is to delve into the PCM for any faults. This inspection involves checking if the PCM is properly processing the signals it receives from the APP sensor. A malfunctioning PCM may fail to interpret the data accurately, leading to persistent errors even with functional sensors. Establishing whether the PCM is at fault is crucial because it's the central brain of the vehicle's powertrain systems. If it is confirmed to be problematic, typically through advanced diagnostic tools, then the PCM replacement or repair would be required before closing the case. After conducting all troubleshooting and necessary repairs related to DTC P2121, it's essential to perform a final verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved effectively. Begin by taking the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions, assessing the throttle response to confirm there are no performance issues. During this drive, monitor for any engine codes that may reappear. After the test drive, clear the stored DTCs using the HDS and scan for any new codes. If the P2121 code does not reappear during subsequent scans and the throttle performance meets expectations, it indicates successful diagnosis and repair. This verification step guarantees the vehicle operates optimally and restores driver confidence in its performance. In dealing with the app sensor A and associated systems, Implementing preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid future occurrences of DTC P2121. Begin by conducting regular inspections of the accelerator pedal system, focusing on the app sensor and its wiring for signs of wear or damage. It's also beneficial to verify that all electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion, which can compromise sensor performance. Regular maintenance checks can pinpoint potential issues before they escalate, including ensuring that codes are cleared during routine diagnostics to maintain clear system health. Additionally, educating the driver on recognizing symptoms associated with throttle irregularities can help ensure timely interventions. This proactive approach can extend the life of the vehicle's components and enhance overall driving safety. In conclusion, gaining a thorough understanding of DTC P2121 connected to the performance of the accelerator pedal position sensor A is essential for accurate diagnosis and repair. The steps highlighted in this troubleshooting guide outline a systematic approach to identifying the root causes of the error and implementing solutions effectively. Each component's role, including the APP sensor, PCM, and external circuits, must be considered during the diagnostic process to ensure nothing is overlooked. It's important to recognize the symptoms that indicate the presence of this code promptly and engage in a meticulous examination of related parts. Through diligent adherence to the troubleshooting steps and proactive maintenance, technicians can enhance vehicle reliability and performance, ensuring a safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.